Okay, this video is to show you how to do a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet, and I'm going to do a triple crochet mini cable that is done with front post triple crochet here. I'm going to show you, this is I use this is for pattern number 33, but I use some of these techniques with some of my other cocoon and matching hat patterns, so it'd be about the same for the instructions for how to do the front post double crochets and back post double crochets. This is my first row here. I've got 12 double crochet around here. For these particular patterns, I don't use the first chain 3 as the first stitch. Some of them I do, but not for these with the front post and back post double crochets and all. So to do the front post double crochet, this is my chain 3 here that I'm not counting. When I ended this first row, instead of joining to the top of the chain 3, I joined to the top of that first double crochet in those top 2 loops. Just join with a slip stitch. And then now for doing the front post or back post double crochet, I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to go from around the first double crochet of row 1. I'm going to go from front to back. This is the front post double crochet. I'm going to go front to back and then back up to the front around that post of that first double crochet, and then just do a regular double crochet like you would normally do. And for this pattern, I'm going to double the amount of stitches on row 2, so I'm going to actually do 2 front post double crochets around each double crochet of the first row. And so that's how you do the front post. And I'm just going to go on the next one here and do 2 in that one, and just keep doing that all the way around, and I will see you at the end of the row. Okay, back at the end of row 2 now. Got my 2 front post double crochets around that last stitch. I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet on row 2, just like that. And then I'm going to chain 2. Now for row 3, I'm going to do 1 front post double crochet around that first stitch, and then 2 front post double crochets around this second stitch. And do it one more time. And you just keep doing that all the way around this row. Do 1 front post double crochet around the next stitch, and then 2 front post double crochets around the next one. And you just keep doing that all the way around for row 3. Now for row 4, I'm just going to do 1 front post double crochet around each stitch all the way around. So I'm going to finish row 3 and row 4, and then I will see you at the end of row 4. Okay, this is the beginning of row 5 now. I've got let's see, we're up to, the first row was 12, then 24, then 36, so row 4 is still at 36 double crochet. So row 5 is going to be 46, 48. I've got my chain 2 here, and I'm going to go around the first stitch. I'm going to do 1 front post double crochet, 1 front post double crochet in the next one, and then 2 around the next one. And I'll do that pattern again. Do 1 and 2 and then 2 in the next one. There's the second one there. And then you just keep doing this pattern of 2 front post double crochet around the next one around the next stitch twice, and then 2 front post double crochet around the next stitch. So you got 1, 1, and 2. Just keep doing that all the way around for row 5, and then row 6 we're going to do just 1 front post double crochet all the way around, just like you did on row 4. And I will see you at the end of row 6 now.